Welcome to Best Reviews. If you're looking to elevate your fitness routine with some of the most impressive exercise bikes available right now, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring 5 outstanding models that blend innovation, comfort, and performance. Perfect for anyone serious about home training. Let's get started. Number 5. Peloton Cross Training Bike plus the Peloton Cross Training Bike plus redefines the home workout experience. Featuring a 360-degree rotating HD touchscreen, it lets you seamlessly transition between cycling and strength training. The advanced auto-resistance adjusts in real time to match your instructor's cues, keeping your sessions smooth and challenging. With premium speakers, live and on-demand classes, and sleek design, this bike creates a connected and motivating training environment right in your living room. Number 4. NordicTrack X24 Bike. Next up, the NordicTrack X24 Bike brings immersive training to life with its 24-inch rotating HD smart touchscreen and iFit integration. Riders can explore real-world trails across the globe with automatic incline and decline control, simulating natural terrains. The silent magnetic resistance ensures a quiet yet powerful ride, while ergonomic adjustments and interactive workouts deliver both comfort and variety. It's a truly dynamic way to train indoors. Number 3. Lifespan Ampera Office Bike. The Lifespan Ampera Office Bike combines productivity with wellness in one innovative design. Powered by your own pedaling, it uses your kinetic energy to charge devices via USB-C. No outlet required. The Whisper Quiet Resistance System allows you to focus during meetings or creative sessions, while its sleek, minimal design fits perfectly in any modern workspace. This bike proves that staying active doesn't have to interrupt your workflow. Number 2. YOSUDA Folding Exercise Bike. For those seeking versatility and convenience, the YOSUDA Folding Exercise Bike delivers. Compact yet sturdy, it features 8 adjustable resistance levels, a comfortable padded seat, and a foldable frame that saves space when not in use. The LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories, helping you stay motivated. Perfect for small apartments or quick cardio sessions, this bike is all about practical fitness at home. Number 1. YESOUL G1 Plus Bike. Finally, the YESOUL G1 Plus Bike offers an immersive and intelligent cycling experience. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs effortlessly with fitness apps for real-time performance tracking. The smooth magnetic resistance system ensures a quiet and responsive ride, while the adjustable frame fits a wide range of riders. With its modern aesthetic and focus on data-driven training, the G1 Plus brings professional quality workouts into your personal space. Each of these bikes represents a different vision of what modern fitness can be, from connected studio rides to productive office workouts. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in home fitness tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.